here we are today. We're going to have another tutorial about matrix, but this time it's all about Cramer's rule. So, natay equation na 3x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 1, 3x plus 5y plus 9z is equal to 0, then 5x plus 9y plus 19z is equal to 0. So, first is magbuhat tag matrix, which is 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 9, and 5, 9, 17. So, ano is, kuha na to iyahang determinant. So, sa pagkuha sa determinant, gamitin na to ang basit method. So, kopyahon na to ang first two columns niya. So, 3, 5, then 3, 5, 5, 9. So, first is ang sa diagonal. First diagonal is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17. So, equivalent na niya is equal to 255. So, plus 3 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5. Ang answer is 135. So, plus 135 plus, so, kanina po 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 9. So, ang equivalent na niya is 100. Ipos. So, 5 times 3 times 9 is equal to 135 lang yapon. So, mana siya sa diagonal. So, next is pabali na po siya ng diagonal. So, 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 525. So, minus 525 plus 9 times 9 times 3 is equal to 243 minus plus 17 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equivalent to 153. So, i-total na to siya. 255 plus 135 plus 135 is equal to 525 minus 125 plus 243 plus 153 is equal to 521. So, 525 minus 521 is equal to 4. So, ang determinant is equal to 4. So, next is pangita ko na to ang determinant sa a sub 1 at determinant a sub 1 to a sub 3, and then ang x sub 1 sa anton sa x sub 3. So, first is ang buhaton na to is naman siya constant nga 1, 0, 1, 0. So, atong buhaton sa atohang kuan is i-substitute na to na siya, is ipuli na to na siya sa first nga row hantod siya maabot siya sa last nga row. So, ang atong matrix is 3, 3, 5, then 3, 5, 9, and 5, 9, 7. So, instead na 3, 3, 5, inisa na siya 1, 0, 0, which is ang constant sa matrix. So, sa a sub 1, determinant of a sub 1 equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and copy lang ang 3, 5, 9, 10, 5, 9, 17. So, kung ano ito sa determinant, so gamitin ang basic method, copy lang ang first row, 1, 0, 0, the second row, 3, 5, 9. So, i-complete na nato siya. So, 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 is equal to 85. Then, 3 times 9 times 0 is equal to 0. So, plus 0. Plus 5 times 0 times 9, 0 gapon siya. So, ano siya? next is minus na to ang sa pikas na din ta. So 0 times 5 times 5 is equal to 0. And then 9 times 9 times 1 is equal to 81. So ang last then is 17 times 0 times 2 is equal to 0. So compute lang din na to siya, which is 85 minus 81 is equal to 4. So muna na siya ang ito ang determinant isa. So sa pagkuha sa x sub 1 is paon na to ang iyahang determinant ikuha na to ang determinant a, divide na to ang determinant a sub 1 and then ang determinant a. So since 4 man ang atong determinant a and then determinant a sub 1 na to is 4 siya, so ang answer niya is x sub 1 is equal to 4. The first is 3 multiplied by 0 by 7 times 7 is equal to 0. Then 1 multiplied by 9 divided by 5 is equal to 45. So last is 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 0 is equal to 0. So next is opposite na. So 5 multiplied by 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0 plus 0 multiplied by 9 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, then last is 17 multiplied by 3 divided by 1 is equal to 51. So ang total answer niya is 45 minus 51 is equal to 6. So itong determinant 2 is equal to negative 6 na siya. So ang next is kung ano itong x sub 2. So sa pagpo sa x sub 2, same lang gyapon, pero a sub 2 itong gamitin. So a sub 2, determinant of a sub 2 over a, determinant of a, itong a sub 2 is equal to negative 6. Ang itong determinant of a sub a, then determinant of a is equal to 4. So equivalent ba na niya is negative 3 over 2 or x sub 2 is equal to negative 1.5. So ano na siya to ang a sub 2 ay x sub 2. So last is pangitaon na to ang iyang a sub 3, determinant of a sub 3. So same lang gyapon sa ganina, pero ang constant na to is mapadulong na ni siya diri sa last na column. So copy na to. 3, 3, 5, and then 3, 5, 9, and ito ang constant na 1, 0, 0. So quote na ta basket ko. So may siya kopihon na ito ang first two columns sa 2, 3, 5 and 3, 5, 9. So multiply na to. 3 multiplied by 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Then 3 times 0 times 5 plus 0 yapon na taas 1 times 3 times 9 is equal to 27. So next na diagonal, 5 times 5 times 1 is equal to 25. Then 9 times 3 5 times 0 times 3 is equal to 0. Then 0 times 3 times 3 is equal to 0 yapon. So total na ito siya, may siyang 27 minus 25 is equal to 2. So nga ito ang determinant a sub 3 is equal to 2. Then kung ano po na ito yung x sub 2 ay x sub 3. So same lang yapon, a sub 3, determinant of a sub 3 over determinant a. So itong determinant a sub 3 is equal to 2, and then itong determinant a is equal to 4. So itong x sub 3 is equal to 1/2 or 0.5. x sub 3 is equal to, so since naano na siya, ato siyang i-check if tama ba ni siya nga nga equation. So atong ilet nga ang x sub 1 and then x sub 2 and x sub 3 is mo ni siya ang value sa x, sa y, and sa z. So x sub 1 mo ni siya ang value sa itong y, x sub 2 isang value sa ito x sub 1 is value sa itong x, then x sub 2 is ang value sa itong y, tapos x sub 3 is ang value sa itong z. So copy na to ang equation. So 3x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 1, and 3x plus 5y plus 9z is equal to 0, and 5x plus 9y plus 17z is equal to 0. So x na to is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 1.5, and then z is equal to 0.5. So i-substitute na natin siya. So 3 times 1 is equal plus 3 times negative 1.5 plus 5 times 0.5 is equal to 1. So 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Then 3 times negative 1.5 is equal to negative 4.5 plus 5 times 0.5 is equal to 2.5 equals to 1. So kung i-add mo siya, may mo siyang 3 plus 2.5 is equal to 5.5. Then since may negative man siya, so 5.5 minus 4.5 is equal to 1. So meaning ba siya, so tama siya. So next is ang 3x plus 5y plus 9z is equal to 0. So substitute na to, 3 times 1 plus 5 times negative 1.5 plus 9 times 0.5 is equal to 0. So 3 times 1 again is 3, then plus 5 times negative 1.5 is equal to negative 7.5, and then ang last is 9 times 0.5 is equal to 4.5. Then total na siya, so 3 plus 4.5 is equal to 7.5. So same naman siya, same siya value but different sign, so may mo siyang 0. So 0 equals 0, so tama siya. So last is 5x plus 5x times 1, so plus 9 times negative 1.5 plus 17 times 0.5 is equal to 0. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5, then 9 times negative 1.5 is equal to 3 plus is equal to negative 13.5 plus 17 times 0.5 is equal to 8.5 is equal to 0. So i-add na to ang positive, so 5 plus 8.5 is equal to 13.5. Then since same value pero different sign siya, may mga siyang 0, so 0 is equal to 0. So meaning ang values na nakuha nato sa x, y, and z is tama. So wala siya. Thank you.